Janvi. I am from Orchid International School, grade 2A. Today I'm going to talk about cooking without flames. Cooking without flames means a dish that is cooked without fire. So there are many like fruit salad, vegetable salad, corn salad and etc. So today I will be talking about one dish that is called raita. So now let us see the ingredients needed to make raita. So we need curd and vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes and onions. So for taste you can add some salt and pepper. Now we saw the ingredients needed to make raita. Now let's see how to make it. First we add some curd to the mixing bowl. Then we can stir it. If you want, you can add more too. Then you stir it. Then we'll add the vegetables like cucumber, and then tomatoes, onions, then we mix it. Then for taste, we'll add some salt, then we add some pepper, then we again mix it. So if you like spice, you can add some bundis and chaat masala for spice. So you can take raita as your side dish with biryani, palav, puri and chapati, etc. So yum! It's so tasty. It's so tasty and yummy. So that's why I like raita. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk about cooking without flames. Thank you.